Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. If you clicked on this video, you are interested in these mini twists that I did on my natural hair that I ended up falling in love with. Initially, I didn't really like them because my hair is on the more thin side and I'm trying to get my hair back to its optimal health, and so that's why I decided to put the mini twist in the first place. But guys, I love them. And I'm just growing some newfound confidence again with wearing my natural hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Watch these next clips to see how I achieved these mini twists, this eye look, and this lip look. Okay, don't judge my nails. Yes, I broke my nails again. Yes, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my foundation is on and I just wanted to do an eye look. I don't even know what I'm going to do, so just bear with me here, okay? I think I'm just gonna freestyle with this palette right here. I have this MakeUp Beauty Cosmetics loose powder that I want to use, and I have two blush palettes. Well, this one is a palette and this is just a regular blush from Illamasqua. And yeah, let's get started. First, I'm gonna take these two colors right here and I'll put that in my crease. This is looking a little gray for me, so I'm gonna go with this color right here and try and warm it up just a little bit. I don't want too much going on with my eyes because with these mini twists, I just like my makeup to be real minimal since the hair is like a very natural style and my hair is like on the thinner side. I don't know, I just don't want too much. I don't know. That's just my opinion, I guess, you know. My taste or what have you. But I'm just starting to take this orangey shade and bring it in on the outer corner. And just blending it in. The brush that I'm using is the MAC 224. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to take this smaller e.l.f. blending brush and I'm going to dip it into the orange and I'm going to drag it under my eye. What should I do? I'm going to go with this color. It's speaking to me. I might not like it, but I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna use my finger though, because to me eyeshadows, they just come out better with your finger. I said I was doing natural, huh? This is not natural. I'm gonna take this Mika loose powder right here. I'm gonna take that same finger, roll it around the top, and put it on top of this silver looking color. And it is not doing anything. Okay, we got some fixing to do. Let me see. Let's just try and blend it out. Doing like little circular motions in my inner corner and then going straight up. All right, I'm gonna go back in with this orange shade and try to diffuse it a little bit and try to bring that color down some. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and try to clean that up in the corners a little bit, try to buff it in. I'm gonna take this eyeliner. This is, it's called Profound Auto Eyeliner in the color dark brown, and I'm going to line my waterline with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on. Highlight. Okay, sir, I think I just want to stick with this highlighter today. It's a loose powder by MAC. And it is called Golden Bronze. Take a little bit off the top, tap it off. push it in with my foundation brush to help bring some of the highlight down. I'm going to use this blush by Illamasqua in the color Excite. Put some on my nose, chin. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and powder my face a little bit more because it is looking oily. I'm going to use this luxury powder by VitaminE, the rose petal one, and I'm just going to take this flat top elf brush and dip it in here like this, and I'm just going to push it in my T-zone only. And I'm going to go in with that same eyeliner that I put on my waterline. I'm going to put it on my lips. And then I'm going to put the lip gloss on top of that. And yes, that is the makeup look. I like this. Alright, now let's get to these mini twists. Here is what they're looking like now. That's how they look when I take my scarf off. And then I kind of try to pull on them and tug on them a little bit to get them to go back to where I want them to lay. And if they're a little too unruly for me, I take my spray bottle, spray some water in my hand. There we go. Spray some water in my hand, rub them together, and I just squeeze my twist like this so they can kind of unbend and stuff. Okay, so let me explain this to you. So before I did my twist, I deep conditioned my hair, and after I did that, I blow dried it. I used my Chi Total Protect on my hair before I blow dried it. And then after that, that's when I began to section my hair off for the twist. Now, before I twist my hair in each section, I went ahead and put a generous amount of this curl enhancing smoothie and some oil. So I put the curl enhancing smoothie first, and then I put some oil on top of that, then I brushed it through. Okay, hold on. Before I put the curl enhancing smoothie in my hair, I actually put this leave-in conditioner all through my hair, throughout my whole head. I just put this in first before I did the curl enhancing smoothie and the oils, okay? So those are the products that I use for that. Every product that I use, I'm going to put it down in the description box, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Just make sure you read that description box because all of my products will be down in there. Now, as far as the oil that I used, it's a mixture of oils. It's avocado oil, olive oil, flaxseed oil, grape seed oil, vitamin E, and some castor oil. And I just put that in a bottle and I mix it up. I try to make my own concoctions for my hair oils, and I just keep it in a bottle. So on to the twisting. I used this for my twisting. This is the Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthened and Restored Lock and Braid Butter. And this is what I use to twist each section. I'll take one down so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so on each section, I will take my little lock and restore butter, and there's oil in here because I put oil on my cap, so I could just dip in the butter, dip in the oil. So I took some little oil like that, put it on my twist, and then I will take some oil, run that down my hair just like that, and then I will do one run through with the brush, make sure it's like thoroughly through my hair, and I will twist it. Now, how I twist is I don't twist it loose. I make my movements close so that the twists stay pretty tightly twisted, because you don't want these things to unravel, because they will unravel. So if you pay attention to my hands, I'm making these motions close together, if that makes sense. I don't know how else to really explain it. But I twist it all the way down. And then I'll have like an inch left of hair. I wet it. Put some more lock butter on the end. And I twist it like this with my finger. So it can just enhance my natural curl. So now when I first did my hair, after I blow dried my hair and I twisted my whole head, the twists were just looking a little too thin for me. Like they didn't look luscious enough. I don't know how to say. They were not fluffy. They were like really, like almost if you twisted straightened hair. So I took my spray bottle, sprayed some water just like that. And then just like how I showed you guys earlier, to refresh it, I just squeezed the water into my twist. And that allowed the twist to kind of fluff up and look a little more plump, okay? Let me see. Oh, as far as how many twists I have in my head in the sections, you can kind of see here, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 rows just in this section alone. And then, you know, I'll just, you know, show you guys what it's looking like so you can kind of get an idea of about how I parted my hair and how many twists I have in there. For this side over here, to help my curls just get back, if they look a little too frizzy, I just spray it with some water, lock butter, and twist it. But yep, this is just how I refresh them. I'm just gonna take my curl enhancing smoothie. Then I'm gonna take some gel, just put some gel on the end of my hairbrush. And I'm gonna start to put the gel into my edges. But I'm just gonna, you know, do my baby hairs, you know, whatever way. And I purposely left some hair out right here, so I can kind of put some water on that and twist it just to have a little curl on the side, you know. Take a little gel. Then I like to kind of press it down. Okay guys, so here is the final look all together. The eyes, the lips, I'm loving this combo. I'm loving it. But the hair, the mini twist, I'm loving these too. I did not think I was going to like these mini twists on my natural hair. Initially, I was, like I said, a little bit, I wasn't confident, okay? I'm just being real. But I love them. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave all your questions down in the comment section. Anything you want to ask me, please do not hesitate to drop your questions in that comment section. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.